Welcome back to the best plugins for WordPress. John here from JarvisTrainingVideos.com. All I had to do to fix up the broken link checker in the previous video was hit the dismiss notice. And what I'm going to do this time is install CBNet Ping Optimizer and the Comment Love plugin. So as usual, add new, search for the CBNet Ping Optimizer, install now, activate. And that one is finished. As I said, it has become obsolete over the past little while. So this time let's go to add new. And let's type in Comment Love. Search plugins. Install now. And activate. And I'll show you what Comment Love actually does. If someone reads through your post and they want to leave a comment at the bottom, right here you see the captcha code, and just below this you see that little tick there where people have to check it in order to post their comment. What these safety precautions do is make sure bots don't get into your website and leave phony comments. Comments on your website are good, but links going out to irrelevant sites, well, this is a bad thing. So here's our list so far. And that's it for the CBNet Ping Optimizer and for Comment Love. This is continuing on with the best plugins for WordPress, and this time I'm going to install Contact Form 7 and Google Privacy Policy. So let's log into our dashboard. And what I'm going to do here is add 2 pages. So go new page. I'm going to open it up in a new window to make it go a little bit quicker. And this one I'm going to call Contact Us. And for the template, I'm going to use full width page template, no sidebar. And I'm going to publish it. Now this one I'm going to call Privacy Policy, and again for the template, full width, publish. Now back in the dashboard, go to our plugins, add new, search for Contact Form 7, install, activate, and let's add new again. Search for Google Privacy Policy, install, activate. Okay, after that's done, from your dashboard, click on Contact. And what you want to do is click on this, copy it, go back to your Contact Us page, and this is what it looks like right now. You want to click on Edit Page. You want to click on Text, not visual, but text. Paste that right there. Update it. Now when you view it, there's a contact form already for your visitors. And you may want to test this too. So for your privacy policy, it's very similar. You go back to your dashboard, and you scroll down, and from Settings, click on Google Privacy Policy. Pick this up from the outside of the arrow to the outside of the arrow and copy it. Go back to your Privacy Policy page, and again, Edit Page. And again, making sure you're on text, not visual. Paste it right here. Update. View page. And there is your privacy policy. Now, if you already have the Sociable plugin installed on your website, what you want to do when you're on these pages is scroll down and make sure Disable Sociable is checked before you publish it. If this is left unchecked, you're going to have a Sociable Share plugin on your privacy policy and your contact page. This is something that you really don't need. And that's it for the Google Privacy Policy and the Contact Form 7 plugin. This time I'm going to talk about the Feedsat widget. And if you look over here on the right, this is the Feedsat widget, and it tells you where your traffic is coming from and where it's going to. If you click here, you can open this up, and it gives you more detailed statistics. Now, the WordPress theme that I'm using for this video tutorial is right here. It's a 2013. And I'm going to add the Feedsat widget right over here on the right. And the first thing I want to do is get rid of all of this stuff. So let's log into our dashboard. And from our plugins page, add new, search for Feedsat widget. Widget and plugin, pretty much the same thing. Search, install, and activate. So to install this and take everything out of the sidebar that doesn't need to be there, go to Appearance, Widgets. Alright, you can see that search, recent posts, recent comments, and so on and so forth are right there. Search, recent posts, and so on and so forth. To get rid of this stuff, left click, hold, and drag it over here. Now to get the Feedsat widget in there, all you need to do, again, left click and hold, drag it right there, click Save, back here and refresh, and there is the live traffic feed. Now eventually I'm going to be adding an autoresponder above this, but for now that'll do. And while we're here, the next on our list is the Google Analyticator. And the fact is, it doesn't need to be set up. All we need to do is install it. So let's go back to our dashboard and search for Google Analyticator. Install it. And activate it. So that's it for those two plugins. When we come back, it's going to be the Google XML sitemaps. So I'll see you then.